Okay, today we're going to repair this door. The door is rotten on the bottom here, and we're going to weld on a patch. Otherwise, you have to reskin the whole door.
Okay.
This is how it goes. Okay, now we weld here onto the frame all the way around. Here, 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 and then we drill and pop rivet in about 10 rivets with silicone underneath there so it's watertight.
Okay.
That'll be
And this is Johannesson Fisheries. This is the
guy
remember what
Riverton.
couple Riverton. I can't remember the name of the couple's name right now.
Eric.
Well, it's Eric, but it's the
Wife?
no, that's the
Or the ones that are
yeah.
going to wind up with it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So how long is it going to take you to weld all these now?
This takes about half an hour. Get the camera up here so I can see my brother.
Okay.
This is what it's all about. We're
Yeah.
going to shut it down for now and then show you the finished product.
Okay. There you go.
Okay, this is welded now all the way around here and riveted, silicone underneath. Now we'll prime it and paint it.
Okay.
And that'll make an Icelander feel a lot better. You got that light?
Okay.
Okay, this is our dog.
Yeah.
Schooner.
Hi, Schooner Dog.
And this one is welded now. It's just a matter of polishing and priming and painting.
Okay.
This is my buddy Peter Dunlop.
Hi.
And if we go to the other side, you'll see a finished product from the stand. Originally, this is all rotted out here, so rather than reskin the whole door, we just put this plate in and they're good to go for another 30 years.
Okay. So this door's done. That one's got a little bit extra on it from extra painting.
Yeah.
And
They're all done.
okay.
All the doors are done, ready to hang.
Okay. So what have you got left to do on?
Transmission to put in, power steering to put in, and windshield wiper complete.
Okay, so that's a while yet then.
Yeah.
Okay, so what are you expecting? A couple weeks or?
Probably a couple of weeks.
Okay. So this is Johannesson Fisheries out of Riverton, Manitoba. This is the blue 1971. There's Schooner, the shop dog, visiting shop dog.
And deer chaser.
And deer chaser. And all the doors are done here. And we're going to walk around. Still a lot of work to be done here. A couple more weeks, but hopefully we get this back out to the client here soon. And Dad'll finish this off tomorrow. More grinding and painting and cleaning. And that's it.